Hello, we have here a 1994 VR6 Corrado. Not that the model really matters, because today we're going to be concentrating on replacing some of the buttons and the switches. Ideally the spoiler, the light switch and the fog lights. As you can see, someone here on this one has butchered this bracket, so I'll be ideally replacing the whole bezel, the whole frame. Let's see if I can do that without breaking some stuff. Nice quick tutorial. I don't want to drag on too long. I like jibber jabbering along the way. Apologies if I do, I'll try and cut it down. First of all, easy access. The surround of the speedo ideally needs to come out. There's 4 screws. There's one at the top here in the middle, on the left again, apologies for the bad lighting, and then ideally on the right hand side and the left corners you'll have one as well. They may have some plastic, hopefully you've still got them. This one's obviously not. You can just get a small flathead screwdriver out, pry them out from probably the bottom or the right hand side, and they'll just pop off. Be careful with them. It's really hard to find them now. Ideally try and get some hard plastic instead of metal, that way you don't mess up the rest of your plastics. Use the steering wheel to your advantage to get access if you've got a longer one, and use your steering wheel rack adjuster to give you a bit more easy access. So I've already taken these screws out, and ideally just show you this. So this just folds out, and then we should be able to just get straight into there. Well, I keep on remembering stuff, so I've put it back together again so I can show you a bit easier. We've got the bezel off. There is a screw holding this plastic surround in. For that you'll have to pry off the vent. They are likely to crack if you don't do it properly. We'll see if we can get that done at the end of the video. This has actually lost its screw, so it's literally just comes out itself, which is a bit poor, but you find these when you start taking someone else's car apart. Pretend this is still intact. 2 hands preferably. Reach around, you can feel the connector, give it a little push and that'll wiggle. Maybe we can get this out now. Okay, brilliant. So we pried this out. There's a connector on this side and one on the other. We just need to pull them out gently and feed the connector off. That's your headlight. For your spoiler, it's the same. We'll reach down, we'll feel the connector and give it slight pressure and give it a little wiggle. Go. Give that a little tug, and again we've got our trusty little pincer clips here on both sides. Pull them out, and that's your spoiler. Just put it back in. Just remember it's the right way up, and we can just slide, click it back in. And same with the lights, he says. Job's a good one. For your fog lights, your heater, your ABS switch, your blanking cap, you know, you could possibly get something in and pull them out because it's so easy, it's just 4 screws to take the speedo out. It really does mean that you're just not going to test fate and break something. But we can, from this end as well, exactly the same manner, just pull them out. Okay, easier for me because all of my brackets are broken, but you get the gist. Exactly the same. Pincer clips, that's what they're called. Just remember when you replace them to make sure they're on the right way up before you reinsert them. Okay.